Rip it.
Use your teeth. My teeth.
Whoa. Oh.
Okay, Charlie Simpson in a box, man.
Strong man, strong man.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Hope you like it.
Are you kidding me?
Love it.
Yeah, we have to.
Oh, I guess we have to
How much did this cost?
More
Look
than
at the tears.
Get the tears.
I don't cry. It's a medical thing. Okay, a camera, you don't cry. I give you an eraser, and you're like, I know. It's coming. This is off. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't. Thank you. Wow. I've always wanted a video camera. Stop staring at me.
Hey, I have to film you.
Oh my god. Where's Robert? I had to slap him because I told him, is it a video camera? And he goes, no. Oh my god. Thank you to all the people in the car, which is...
Uno más.
What?
Uno más.
One more? What? Oh my god!
Hey, come back here. Come back here.
No, you can share us too. Because I'm princess. And Mr. Lorella wants us out now.
No, I don't. It's fine. I have to like.
He wants some cake.
He wants cake. Okay. Oh my god. Are your hands shaking? Will it be that? Like,
I don't know.
like that? I'm sorry. I've always wanted one.
No.
No. Oh my god! Oh my god! You ordered what? When did it? Oh my god! No, seriously. You guys are. I was about to say you guys are awful.
We're awfully good.
Oh, dude. This is cool. Oh. How much money did you guys
Don't worry about it.
Oh my god. Thank you, whoever. I'll read the card. Can I thank people one by one? Okay.
I don't know if you can read some of the signatures. Yeah.
Daniel, thank you. Jeremy, thank you. Andrew, thank you. Sam, thank you. Adrian, Galindo, thank you.
Running out of time.
Eric, Nikki, Gabby, Jamie. Oh my, Patricia. Josie.
We have 5 seconds.
Gabby, Rihanna, Jessica, Victor,